So for this oil change, all you're gonna need is your oil filter, 3/8 ratchet with a 14 socket, your 1/2 inch ratchet with the Toyota specialty tool, or a plow or a oil filter wrench. Hello guys, welcome back. So in this next video, I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on a 2017 through 2019 Toyota Corolla sedan. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So first, I'm going to pop your hood open. It's right there, the ledge. And pop open the hood, obviously. It's a little hard to work. Open up your oil cap. Dipstick out. And just to remind you that you still need to add oil. We're going to top off some fluids as well. Pull in a little bit. Just to where the full line is. Wish I could show you. Oh, kind of. There, you guys can see right there. The full line. And close them back up. Turn the line. Okay, so now it's time to lift up the car. To do the oil change on this 2018 Corolla, you gotta undo this and this. Okay, so I just drained the oil and I just put in the new oil filter. Just gonna let that drain for a bit. Okay, so we just let that drain. Drain plug back on. Make sure that the oil filter is tight. Don't forget to tighten your drain plug. Your ratchet on 14mm. And your last step will be to just add the oil. So this car takes about 4.5 quarts. And that's pretty much it. Just put your dipstick back in, put your oil cap back on, turn on the car, check your oil level, and you'll be good to go.